Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video you will learn how to shut down Windows 11 PC. So friends, at first you have to go to start button and then go to power button. This is the power button and then click shutdown. Once you click shutdown, your Windows 11 PC starts turning off. You can also shut down the Windows 11 just by pressing Alt and F4 on the keyboard, just like as you shut down Windows 7 or Windows 10. This is the shortcut. Press Alt and F4 and you will get the shutdown windows, and here you will get option shutdown. Just press OK to shut down.